India's richest man, Mukesh Ambani, knows the secret to wealth: patience. He once said, "It is important to remember that there are no overnight successes. You will need to be dedicated, single-minded, and there is no substitute to hard work." This quote highlights the importance of a long-term outlook in wealth creation, as sustained growth is seen in various indices, stocks, and mutual funds. However, the path to money growth is not always smooth due to short-term market fluctuations. For example, during the March 2020 market crash caused by the pandemic, many investors might have sold their Reliance stocks, but those who stayed invested have seen their holdings increase in value today. Diversify assets. Putting all your money in one asset could destroy your portfolio. Nikhil Kamath, founder of Zerodha, advises retail investors to diversify and maintain balance in their portfolios. Putting all your money in one asset increases risk and limits potential gains. Diversification helps offset the losses from one asset with the gains from another, and prepares you for different scenarios. For example, while equities can be volatile in the short term, 0 to 3 years, they offer higher returns over 3 to 5 years. Let your money work for you. Time is running out to secure your financial future. Uday Kotak, the Executive Vice Chairman and MD of Kotak Mahindra Bank, is famous for his quote, "In a marathon, pace is key. Too fast, you could burn out. Too slow, and you won't finish." He has transformed his bank into one of India's top 4 private sector banks. Investing wisely to grow your money is the best way to build wealth. Did you know that with just ₹500 per month, you can start an SIP in a diversified mutual fund right now? In 10 years, this tiny step can snowball into a significant corpus. Every day you wait is a day that your money isn't working for you. Act today and your future self will thank you. Research before investing. Never invest your hard-earned money without proper research, and never invest according to stock tips. This quote by Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is key to making your money grow. Relying on unverified stock tips could cost you your hard-earned money. In today's digital age, retail investors often encounter noise from self-proclaimed experts with no credible track record. Relying on such sources can lead to disaster. A good way to research stocks is by examining company financial reports, focusing on metrics like net profit, growth, PE ratio, and earnings per share. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.